a delightful dive into food and cooking collocations. Hello, language learners. Welcome to today's lesson where we are going to explore the wonderful world of English collocations, specifically focusing on the food and cooking context. We will discover some delightful noun plus noun collocations that are commonly used in daily life. So, let's get cooking with words. Collocations are groups of words that often go together naturally in a language. Noun plus noun collocations are a pair of nouns that frequently appear together. For example, bread and butter, or fish and chips. Knowing collocations improves your English fluency and makes your language sound more natural. Now, let's look at some common noun plus noun collocations used in the context of food and cooking. 1. Apple pie, a classic dessert made of apples and pastry. 2. Breadcrumbs, small pieces of bread often used as a coating for fried foods. 3. Cheeseburger, a burger with a slice of cheese. 4. Fruit salad, a dish containing various kinds of fruit. 5. Garlic bread, bread topped with garlic and butter or olive oil. 6. Olive oil, oil extracted from olives, often used in cooking. 7. Peanut butter, a spread made from ground peanuts. 8. Chicken soup, a warm, comforting soup made primarily from chicken. Remember, these collocations are often used as they are, and changing one word might make the phrase sound strange or unnatural to native speakers. Let's see these collocations in action in sentences. 1. My grandmother makes the best apple pie. 2. Use breadcrumbs to coat the chicken before frying it. 3. I'll have a cheeseburger with fries, please. 4. For dessert, we're having a fresh fruit salad. 5. I love the smell of fresh garlic bread. 6. Drizzle some olive oil on the salad. 7. I like to spread peanut butter on my toast in the morning. 8. Nothing beats a bowl of hot chicken soup on a cold day. Understanding and using these collocations can help you sound more fluent and natural when discussing food and cooking. And that wraps up our delicious dive into food and cooking, noun plus noun collocations. Remember, language is the spice of communication, and using these collocations will make your English tastier. Keep practicing, and soon you'll be cooking up beautiful English sentences with ease. See you in the next lesson.